Hi, and welcome to Commission Typhoon. Right now, you will discover how 3 steps using this untapped targeted traffic makes $112.23 every day in unbeatable passive income in just a few hours from now. You will also learn how to drive massive traffic to offers that will help you create passive income completely hands-off even if you have no experience. It's 100% newbie friendly. It's a tried, tested, and proven system to make money daily. It's a 3-step formula that takes between 15 to 30 minutes a day to profit from. However, this may or may not be for you. See, this is made for people who are tired of not profiting online, and for people who feel like they really should be making more money online, however are frustrated by their current results. It's made for people who are tired of not being at the level of online success that they have dreamed of. It's for people who are looking for a formula that works in today's fast-paced online world, not some rehashed strategy that doesn't work anymore. Does this sound like you? Let me ask you a question. Can you spare 15 to 30 minutes a day in order to have daily commissions come in while creating a passive income cash machine? One that delivers over and over again. See, in those 15 to 30 minutes a day, you will set up your offer and drive either free or paid traffic using our formula while creating hands-off passive income streams all on autopilot. Just set and forget. Because with Commission Typhoon, all it takes is choosing which form of traffic you want to deliver to your offers, either free or paid traffic, and follow our 3 simple steps that we have been profiting online from for years. The best part is with our untapped traffic source and strategies, you can make as many passive income cash machines as you want. Commission Typhoon is here to take ordinary people who may or may not have earned any money online yet and move your online business and profits forward dramatically with our unique proven formula. We will take you by the hand and show you exactly what we do to profit daily online. Now, before we go any further, I wanted to let you know that these methods are proven, easy to implement methods that work well and require no SEO, no product selling, no Facebook ads, no product launching, no Shopify, and no email list. None of that stuff. We also know from experience it's very easy to stop before you start if you find a system that requires traffic and are unsure what to do with it. The hard truth is that traffic can be a marketer's dream killer. It can be risky, it can cost you lots of money, it can take time to figure out what works, and SEO doesn't always work the way it's taught. However, using Commission Typhoon, we found a formula that makes it cheaper to get traffic than most solutions out there today while converting 5 to 10 times as much, even against Facebook ads traffic. See, with our unbeatable commission system, we have included 2 ways of driving targeted traffic so you can bank commissions daily. Learn, earn, and scale your passive income starting today. Just 3 easy steps under 30 minutes a day and with no technical skills needed at all. Commission Typhoon is the answer to your online marketing. With this, you would never have to sell again. You would never worry about SEO. No more throwing money away on traffic that doesn't work, and you would never waste your time again on old methods that just don't plain work anymore. Commission Typhoon unveils a proven formula that allows anyone to use our methods to profit easily online by promoting offers, even if you haven't made a single dime yet. Our recent case studies and our complete by-the-hand training will show you how anyone can create passive income machines that are truly set and forget autopilot systems. So, if you are tired of not getting results online, frustrated and tired of bad and incomplete training that just doesn't work, then Commission Typhoon will make all the difference in your online business. If you are ready to start driving plenty of targeted traffic while earning commissions daily, check out the full details on this page below this video. You see, this system works over and over again and in today's market. In fact, one of our unique hacks is so underused that it's been a hidden gem of profits for us for a while, and we will be sharing the exact process with you. Starting today, use the right formula for success. Commission Typhoon is here to help you achieve your online dreams. So, if you're not making money online or haven't made enough money online yet, have a look over the rest of the page now and take action today.